People think that breathing just comes from the Hindu culture, from pranayama, that fourth limb of yoga. But they weren't the only ones interested in breathing. It's also part of the Chinese culture, Qigong, Qigong. There are also ancient Russian and European breathing masters. And the Sufis, they were like the yogis of the Middle East. And there's a lot we can learn from the Sufis too, just like this technique right here. You know, you can't do this kind of practice for 5 minutes without completely changing your state, without charging yourself, without energizing yourself, and just shifting your focus, your energy, your awareness, your presence. Very powerful.